Welcome friends, spring is in the air and today we are outdoors cooking delicious shrimp tacos. For this recipe, you will need shrimp, peel, devein, and cut into bite-sized pieces. Slice white onion. Slice ROMA tomatoes. Slice poblano chilies. And chopped garlic. You will also need black pepper, kosher salt, chipotle pepper, adobo sauce, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, and unsalted butter. Begin by sautéing the onion, tomato, chili, and garlic. In a large pan over high heat, melt the butter. Once the butter has melted, add the sliced onions, tomatoes, and chilies. Sauté for 5 minutes. Now, make a little space and sauté the chopped garlic. Now, mix the garlic and vegetables. Stir in the seasoning, black pepper, kosher salt, chipotle pepper adobo sauce, tomato paste, and Worcestershire sauce. Now add the shrimp. Cook 3 minutes more. Now heat the tortillas. Cover the tortillas with the mozzarella cheese. Once the cheese has melted, add the taco filling. And here you have delicious shrimp tacos. You can really taste the sauteed vegetables. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell.